everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar is a famous Indian cricketer. He was born on July 10, 1949 in Mumbai, India. Gavaskar is known for being one of the best opening batsmen in cricket history. He was the first player to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket. Sunil Gavaskar played for the Indian cricket team from 1971 to 1987. He is often called Sunny or Little Master. Gavaskar was known for his excellent technique and concentration. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan, one of India's highest civilian honours. After retiring from cricket, he became a popular cricket commentator. Sunil Gavaskar wrote several books about his cricket experiences. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.